Hello students, now continuation of previous video. In last video I told you that I will start middle term factors. Okay, now middle term factors, what is that? Exercise 13. One sum I am writing, see, x square plus 16x plus 63. In middle term factor, what to do? Here, this is the number 63. You have to find out the factors of 63, and then by using these factors you have to find out the middle term 16. Okay, now that's why it is called middle term factor. From here, what factors you are getting? By using these factors means either addition or subtraction. I will be explaining now how you will understand that. Either addition or subtraction, you have to find out the middle term. That's why it is called middle term factor. Clear? Now one thing, here all the terms, all the signs are positive. Here also positive, here also positive. So in this case, when all the signs are positive, without any hesitation, clear, you will add the factors, then you will get the middle term. See, what are the factors of 63? 9 7 is 63. Clear? 9 into 7, and if you add 9 and 7, then you will get 16. 9 plus 7, 16. So here 63 equals to 9 into 7, and if you add 9 and 7, you will get the middle term, that is 16. And I told you that there are two positive signs, all the signs are positive. So without any thinking, you will just add. So here what to do? We will add the factors plus 63, and in third step you will open the bracket. 9 into x, 9x plus 7 into x, 7x. Clear? Then we will take common x here. So from these two terms we will take x common. So what is there? X plus 9. And from here I will take what is common? 7. That one. Maximum what you can take common, you will take common. Now you are getting this term and this term. So from these two terms, what is common? You are saying here x plus 9 is common. So x plus 9, and what is left here? X, and here plus 7. This is the answer. Clear? So what we have done? First we had calculated the factors of 63. Then as all the signs are positive, so we have added, and after adding we have opened the bracket, and then we have taken common, and this is the last one, last step. Now see the second one. If it is in this form, x square plus 15x plus 54. Now 54, what are the factors of 54? 54 is 6 into 9. 6 9s are 54. And if you add 6 and 9, you see 15 is coming or not. If you add 6 and 9, 6 plus 9, 15, middle term is coming. So how to do? X square plus 6 plus 9x plus 54. Then third step, what to do? You have to open the bracket. Then fourth step, from these two terms you have to take what is maximum, how much you can take common. So here x common, x plus 6, and from this you see 9 common, so x plus 6. Now from here and this term, x plus 6 is common, and what is left here? X and plus 9. Clear? This is the answer. Now in both the sums there was all the signs were positive. Now I will do it negative sign. Then what to do? See, third one, if it is in this form, x square plus 5x minus 14. Now what is the difference between these two sums? There is plus, there is plus, there is plus, but there is minus. So when there is minus, so what to do? Yeah, you will take out the factors of 14, that is 7 2s are 14, and then you have to subtract the factors. As there is negative sign, so after adding, middle term will not come. Clear? As there is negative sign, so you have to subtract. So here 7 2s are 14 plus 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 5. Middle one is coming. So after subtraction it is coming. Now open the bracket. Here be careful. Plus minus minus. Now when you will take common, then also see. From this x you can take common. Okay. And from this minus 2 common. Minus sign is also common. Minus 2. So it is becoming x. Minus I have taken common. So minus minus plus and 2 taken common. So it is 7. Now from these two, x plus 7 and what is left? X minus 2. So I think you had got the difference between these two. Now I am doing more sums, it will be clear. Another sum I am doing. Just now I have told you there is one negative sign, and what are the factors of 40? It may be 10 into 4, 10 4s are 40 and 5 8s are 40. Clear? Now you have to say by subtracting which factors 3 will come. If I take 10 and 4, then 10 minus 4, it is coming 6, not 3 is not coming, so we can't take these two factors. Then we have to select other factors. 8 5s are 40, and if I subtract 5 from 8, that means 8 minus 5, what you are getting? 3. So we take these two factors. 8 minus 5. Clear? In this way you have to find out. Now open the bracket. Plus minus minus. Now I'll take x common, and from here I'll take minus 5 common. So what is left here? X and minus minus plus 5 I have taken common. 5 8s are 40. Now from these two, what is x plus 8, and here what is left? X and minus 5. Clear? Now I am doing if this type of sum. Now see, that is also different type. What is this? If it is of this type, minus 3x minus 40. Clear? Here there was plus, but there is minus, and there was minus, there is also minus. Okay. Now here in this case also we will subtract the factors of 40. Clear? 8 5s are 40, 8 minus 5, 3. But one difference is there. As there was plus sign, so I had written plus, and there is minus sign, so I have to write here minus. Now see what to do. Minus I will write as there is minus sign. And same as 8 5s are 40, so 8 minus 5. Okay. Now open the bracket. Minus 8x and minus minus plus 5x minus 40. Now we will take common x. So what is there? X minus 8, and from these two I can take plus 5 common. So it is becoming x minus 8. Now from these two terms, x minus 8 common, which one is left? X plus from here 5. So again there is one difference. There was plus, there was minus. And here also we have subtracted, here also we have subtracted the factors. But one difference is that there as there was plus sign, we had written plus, and there is minus sign, that's why we had written minus. Clear? In this way you will practice. Now next one. If the sum is this type, there is plus but there is minus. Clear? Here what to do? 40 factors of 40 are 8 into 5 will take 8 and 5. Clear? And here after adding 8 and 5 we will get 13. Clear? As there is plus sign, that's why we have to add the factors. So middle one will come. If we subtract, then 3 will come, not middle term we will get. Clear? So in this case, as there is plus, so we have to add the factors. 8 and 5, 8 plus 5, 13. Now we will open the bracket, x square, minus sign is there, be careful, minus x minus plus minus 5x plus 40. Now from this I will take x common, x minus 8, and from this minus 5 common, so it is becoming, as I have taken minus common, this sign will be minus. So here x minus 8 into x minus 5. Clear? So different type I am explaining you. Now next one we will get in next video.